Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we will make a very interesting cartoon. We'll create an Olaf. I know it's everyone's favorite, so we'll create an Olaf today. For that we require a sheet, pencil, marker and our oil pastels. So let's start. Before we start, I would request you all to just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So to make the shape of an Olaf, what we'll do is we'll make an opposite U. We'll make a shape of an opposite U and then a curvy line like a line which has a slant with it. So this is the basic structure of the face of an Olaf, and we have a shape like this and again a kind of an circular shape. Not exactly a circle, but yes, of course. And here are the buttons, which are the stones. Actually, Olaf is made all with the snow and the background is also snow. So we have to make a differentiate how to create it. Now we'll work on the face. So for the face, the first thing is we'll make his smile. And then his open mouth. His teeth. Isn't it looking like an Olaf? Now we'll make circles for the eyes. One more inside. And on top it's his hairs. So we'll make some hairs, just 2 or 3 hairs with a black marker only. And his nose is a carrot. So what we'll do is we'll make a carrot for his nose. But still it's incomplete. We'll make the legs again. They are just pieces of snow for the legs. And some twigs for the hands. So we'll be making some twigs for the hands. So it's the Olaf's hands, which are like twigs, so that's why I've made not exactly straight line but a little curvy line to make it not a straight, but as they are twigs. So isn't it looking like an Olaf? Now what we will do is we'll make some lines as it's floating on the snow, and we will make a difference. Now this is the frozen water area where he is dancing. And then we will create some area for the snow. And in the background, we'll create some trees. So remember, I have told you how to make the trees. We'll use the same style to create these trees. You can check the previous videos to learn how to make them. And a drawing is almost done. So our complete compositional drawing is done. Now what we will do is we will just learn how to color it. Now we'll start with the Olaf. Now remember, I always use white and shades of blue for the sky and to show the snow. But here I have to give a difference in the background and in Olaf, because everything is white, right? So what we will do is, for the Olaf, we'll use the grey, shades of white and grey, and for the rest of the background, we'll give the shades of blue, white and blue. Okay, so let's start. We'll start with the Olaf, and before we start, I'll just fill his eyes. You can fill the eyes with a black marker. Okay, let's start. So we'll use the white color, and we'll add a pinch of grey color. Now, in case your color already had a blue effect, just erase it with the hand so that when we are using just white, we get a white color, and a pinch of grey color we will add. So just add the pinch of grey to give the effect. Little bit of grey, and when you'll mix it with white, you'll get this effect. We'll use an orange color for the carrot. We'll add just a pinch of red color. We'll mix it with the orange color. Now for this part, what we'll do is we'll use the black color. So we'll use the black color little later. We'll use the darker colors little later. First we'll complete the background. Now for the trees, what we'll do is we'll use white and shades of blue. Whatever shades of blue you have, we'll use all the shades of blue. We'll not make the tree with white and green. So we'll add a pinch of blue in it. So we'll make some lines with blue and we'll merge it with the white color on top. So basically it will give a feel of a snow all around. When they are heavily covered with the snow, now for the sky, we'll start from the darker part and we'll gradually go to the lighter part. So I'm giving the darker part for the sky. So I have this Persian blue color which I'm using for the sky. So when we are making a lighter in the front, the light objects in the front, make sure your background is dark. When we are making the lighter objects in front, make sure your background is dark. So why? Then the things which we have made in front will stand out. Now what we will do is I will take a brown color to make the twigs. Now we will use a black color and a little bit of blue color for his inside part of the mouth. And the same black color for these buttons. So these are basically the pebbles or the stones. Now again we have to give a different shade of blue over here. So I'll use this blue and the light blue which we have used for the snow. And we will add a pinch of white also in between. So I'm using this blue. Do it patiently, don't be in a hurry to finish it, and just enjoy this process of making and coloring. I know you all will have a lot of fun. We can use the white color to give a little bit of. And our Olaf is ready. I'll just remove this tape and show you how our Olaf is looking. And you all will create a sweet little Olaf. I know there are many fans of Olaf and you all have loved the movie Frozen. So enjoy making it. Do share your drawings with us on our Insta and Facebook page. And of course, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Bye everyone. Stay happy, stay safe and enjoy your holidays and winters. Bye.